Hi friends, this is a last part of Cleanroom Qualification. In our previous videos, we already discussed the ISO guideline, EU GMP guideline, and operational qualification test such as air velocity test, ACH calculation, filter integrity test, smoke study, etc. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the final process for Cleanroom release in intended use. What is the process after completion of IQ and OQ? The next step is to verify any deviation, incident, or any out of specification that occurred in previous activities. So the validation team carefully reviewed this all incident and deviation and assessed the root cause. At the same time, responsible department QA or QC, validation team or production team parallelly prepare the standard operating procedure for each and every activity. For example, material transfer from lower grade area to higher grade area, entry and exit procedure, and a disinfectant preparation and a cleaning of clean room. Likewise, all SOPs they will prepare. For example, disinfectant preparation and cleaning means in that SOP they should mention what is the disinfectant we are going to use, what is the concentration of disinfectant, how to prepare the disinfectant, what is the contact time of disinfectant, how to clean the floors and walls, and daily cleaning, weekly cleaning, everything they should be mentioned in that SOP. This is just for an example. Likewise, each and every department they prepare the SOP related to the clean room. The next important process, gowning qualification. All personnel who are involved into the aseptic activities and manufacturing, those all teams should be completed their gowning qualification and must and should trained for aseptic activities. Their training record should be reviewed and confirmed by the user department at the same time QA. So authorized personnel only allowed to enter into the clean room or participate into the aseptic activities. After completion of all activities, the quality assurance team carefully review and assess the entire document. If any deviation or OIS occurred, they will propose the corrective action and preventive action. After completion of all documentation process, QA authorizes the clean room for internal usage. So this is a short overview of clean room qualification. I hope you all understood about that. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for next videos.